I spoke a lot about Russia and USA. So I think I will also share one or two stories from ISRO.
Sure.
Or Indian Space Program, which really gave me goosebumps when I heard about these stories. Again, the stories are not just about the technicalities; they are about the people and the thought process and a lot of other things, right? One of the stories that I really hold dear is the story narrated to me by Dr. Kasturi Rangan.
Okay.
Dr. K. Kasturi Rangan was ISRO chief for 10 plus years, and during his time, India actually shifted a gear, right?
In
So
space.
in space. Previously, when we started ISRO, so I always tell all the young people whom I meet, because now everyone is interested in space, everyone wants to join space and do something in the domain. I always
Or at
tell
least
them
learn
that
about it, yeah? Like
we
just want to
should
be, yeah.
we should know the vision why and how we started what we are doing, right? And it's not just about ISRO, but it is about all the space organizations, how every space program came in existence and how it is different from each other. And then when you look at your program, you understand how and why the direction is the way
The
it
way it
is,
is, yeah.
right? So we are so blessed that we could spend our first National Space Day with the man himself, Dr. Rangan, in Bangalore. It turned out to be our last meeting with him, but the conversation that we had then and the conversation we had with him in last 7 years were I think, really extraordinary for me. So once a story is, I asked him after Chandrayaan 3. I remember calling him. He was the first person whom we called after successful landing of the Chandrayaan 3, because we thought he needs that call. He needs to,
Or rather deserves that
he
call.
deserves that call, not
Yeah.
need. Yeah. So I remember when we called him, and then after that when we met and we were having this conversation, I asked him in 1998, when he decided to tell people about when he decided to tell and convince people about the Indian moon mission or Indian planetary missions, what was the drive? Going against the entire thing and taking that much time to convince and just being and pursuing that, it takes a lot. Like, it takes a lot of courage, it takes a lot of strength, it takes a lot. So I remember what he told me, and it's very interesting. He said, Ruchira, it's about being relevant. And when we talk about relevance, it's not about being relevant today. It's about being relevant tomorrow,
For the
in
time
the
to come
future,
ahead. Yeah.
right? So Chandrayaan was, or any planetary mission wasn't necessary then, because we knew that in the coming future we will be going, other countries are going to go to other planets. They're going to do mining there. They're going to create a different kind of technology which they will be using in the space, and then later we will use that on Earth also. And if we do not become part of this, our people will not get that technology to use in our
Or
country
will
as
have
well.
to be a liability on someone
Right?
else.
And the best part here is, he said, while we are diverting, or people think that we are diverting, we are not diverting our mission. Our mission for common man, our mission for common people is still intact. Why? Because when we, in the future, we already have all those technologies with us, we can go back and use them for common man again. And for that, we don't have to dependent on the other
Anyone,
people.
yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So anyways, the mission with which everything has started, we are still following it, but in a very different way. And that was another, very interesting story for me, which really gave me goosebumps in a way.
True. Fantastic. And you said a thing about hope. There's a very beautiful line from the movie The Shawshank Redemption. Andy Dufresne says it to Red that hope is a good thing, maybe the best of things, and no good thing ever dies. And I guess it's because of their persistence, hope, passion, guts, belief, vision, purpose that we are breathing the reality that we are today. Or as a matter of fact, even having this space to talk about space.
True.